Well, Houston summers can be brutal, and beyond the dehydration and the exhaustion that comes with it, chronic heat exposure can put added stress on our bodies in ways that may affect healthy aging as well. Joining us now live in studio is Dr. Greg Burzynski with resTOR Longevity Clinic to explain what extreme heat can do to our heart, our sleep, overall health, how to protect ourselves. Good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. What is exactly how does it affect? How does heat affect our aging exactly?
Many reasons. It can raise inflammation levels. It can ruin our sleep. We need good sleep to do restorative functions in our body.
Yeah.
We also need so many organs to work properly.
Right.
So this has been there to work properly in the end.
So what are some of the warning signs that we can look out for?
Well, fatigue, right? Are we dehydrated or just tired? Drink your water, maybe electrolytes, things like that. Those things will help you.
And this isn't just does affect us that way, it also affects our hearts, right? Cardiovascular system. How does that work?
Exactly. We're beating faster and we're delivering different levels of blood to the tissues. So we can also lose more blood. If we're older, we might get dehydrated even more because we're on diuretics, for example, water pills.
Right. And my understanding is older people that may have high blood pressure may be more susceptible to this. Is that right?
Exactly. You have to be very careful with these people, follow them, and make sure they're okay.
So what's the connection between that chronic inflammation you're talking about and aging with the heat?
Well, occasionally, if you get a little inflammation, you get a bad sleep or heat, it's no big deal. But if you repeat this over time, it's going to cause the process. And you're going to age faster, essentially, and more organs will go down with you.
And what about sleep? Does sleep play a big role with all this?
100%.
How so?
You need good temperature, and your body needs to restore at night. So I really tell people, get that high-quality sleep and make sure it's not too hot in the room, and then you'll be good the next day.
Yeah. Sometimes there's confusion about some of the symptoms that we feel. Help us understand the difference between heat fog or fatigue that we're feeling during these hot days.
Well, it's either dehydration or just a little tiredness. And if we're dehydrated, take your water. Make sure you take that at the right time before you're dehydrated. Take your electrolytes. Those things will help you as well. The small things will go a long way.
Absolutely. And this isn't something that you can just randomly do, right? You may want to stay ahead of it, maybe start before you're dehydrated and just stay hydrated. Is that the best thing? What is the best practice that you do?
Exactly. So maybe work out in the morning, in the afternoon. It's not too hot then, right? Also drink enough water, not when you're really thirsty, but before you are. Also electrolytes, they're the master thing to help you feel better.
I feel like sometimes when you become dehydrated or you are dehydrated, you don't really realize until it hits you, right? In that moment. And then sometimes it's too late. And so it's better to start early on, as you're mentioning.
Exactly. The earlier, the better.
Okay.
And people will do much better.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Greg Burzynski with resTOR Longevity Clinic. Thank you for your tips and for your tips on how to stay cool out there. Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure. Thank you.